Alrighty, YouTube. Well, I think this is the video you guys have all been waiting for. You guys have heard through the grapevine on YouTube that I went ahead and did it, boys. I got me a flathead. 1966 Sears Suburban 10. The 10 horsepower Tecumseh. It is the 3-speed high-low rear end. So, Tecumseh HH100. It is a damn good running motor. This is a repaint. Very close to the original color, if I do say so myself. It looks pretty good in here with the SS and the GT back there. So, you guys are probably not going to see the GT moving for a while. I'm going to find an original starter for it and just have it rebuilt. So, back to the Suburban 10 here. It's got all the missing covers and pieces, like the missing grill pieces there, the belt cover for the starter generators there, the always missing side covers here. So, yeah, it runs really good. I got a snowplow with it. Let's go ahead and start her up. Make sure she's out of gear. Oh yeah. I gotta turn the fuel on. Alright. I'll go ahead and I'll start her up for you guys. Let's choke. Pretty awesome setup right there. The lights are working, the tail light's working, the charging system works. Runs really good. Runs really, really good. Go ahead and turn this light off here. That's for plowing. And I think that's also pretty cool too. So, and I got a seat cover for this to throw on there just to make it a little bit more comfortable. So, yeah, that's the 66 Suburban 10. There you go, Rooney. I got you. I got a flathead now, buddy. Been wanting one of these for a long time now, and now I finally got one. It's even got the hood ornament. The hood ornament's in nice shape too. And I've already put my magnet on here. I got more stickers to go on here. So. The tranny doesn't leak. Feels good. The belt, you got to hold the clutch in just for a little bit longer. Or else if you just, it'll grind them if you push it in and try to move the gears too fast. So that's about it. Nothing to worry about. It's got brand new tires on the front. I believe these back tires are original, and it's in nice shape if they're original. So there we go. There's another one of the fleet. 66 Suburban 10, 74 SS16, and the 78 GT18. 2 Ronins, 1 Tecumseh. And yeah, that wasn't a cold start of it though. So, and then 2013 with a Briggs. So, alrighty guys, that's gonna go ahead and conclude this video. Just figured I'd show you the new tractor. I did get a video from Chewy's place that I'll throw up in this video. Okay, maybe not in this video, but I'll throw up on YouTube. So, alrighty guys, there'll be more on this one to come. I'll see you later. Take it easy.